This compact WEEDO TINA2Plus arrives fully assembled with a semi-enclosed frame, so beginners and children can start printing quickly in a safer, more controlled environment. Its high-speed motion system can reach up to 250 millimeters per second, dramatically shortening print times compared with many entry-level machines while still delivering clean detail on small models. Automatic bed leveling and a textured PEI build plate make first-layer adhesion very reliable and allow finished parts to pop off easily once the bed cools, reducing the usual setup headaches. Built-in filament runout detection and automatic loading help prevent failed prints and make swapping spools as simple as feeding filament into the guided inlet. Wireless connectivity with dedicated application support lets you send jobs, monitor progress, and access a large library of ready-made models from a computer, smartphone, or tablet without juggling memory cards. Despite its small footprint and light weight, the printer supports common materials like standard polylactic acid, enhanced polylactic acid, and flexible thermoplastic polyurethane, giving new users room to experiment with different project types.